Why should anyone care about network management? Well, in our hyper-connected world, digital networks are the backbone of countless operations. From multinational corporations to small startups, efficient, secure, and reliable network systems are not just beneficial, they are essential. Network management is the art and science of ensuring that these networks not only function seamlessly, but also adapt to new demands while safeguarding data. It's a multifaceted discipline, encompassing various crucial aspects. Over the course of this video, we will delve into several key areas: fault management, performance management, configuration management, security management, accounting management, topology management, and change management. Each of these components plays a vital role. Fault management ensures minimal downtime. Performance management keeps the network running at optimal speed and efficiency. Configuration management maintains system consistency and compliance. Security management protects against threats. Accounting management tracks and reports usage, while topology management provides a clear layout of network connections and devices. Lastly, change management helps networks to evolve smoothly with minimal disruptions. Understanding these components can dramatically enhance the operation of any network. Imagine a world where network issues resolve themselves. Until then, there's fault management. In the intricate web of modern networks, faults are inevitable. The key to maintaining network health lies not just in reacting to problems, but in anticipating them. This proactive approach is the essence of fault management. It begins with continuous monitoring, where every packet and process is scrutinized. Sophisticated tools and systems are deployed to detect anomalies that could signal potential issues. Once a problem is detected, the next step is isolation. This involves pinpointing the exact source of the fault within the network. Whether it's a failed router, a broken link, or a software glitch, identifying the culprit quickly is crucial. Then comes resolution, implementing fixes that not only get the network back up and running, but also prevent future occurrences of the same issue. This might involve anything from rerouting traffic to updating firmware or replacing faulty hardware. Effective fault management keeps the digital world spinning, uninterrupted. Slow network speeds can be more than just an annoyance. They can be costly. In the realm of network management, performance management plays a pivotal role in ensuring that networks are not only functional, but are operating at their peak efficiency. This involves a meticulous process of monitoring and tweaking various network parameters. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, such as bandwidth utilization, latency, and throughput, are essential metrics in this process. Bandwidth utilization measures how much of the network's capacity is actively being used, which helps in identifying bottlenecks or underutilized resources. Latency, the delay before a transfer of data begins following an instruction for its transfer, is crucial for understanding how swiftly data travels across the network. Throughput, or the rate at which data is successfully delivered over a network, directly impacts user experience and is a testament to the network's health. By continuously analyzing these metrics, network administrators can make informed decisions to optimize network performance, ensuring that the infrastructure not only meets but exceeds the expected service levels. With proper performance management, networks don't just work, they excel. Ever wondered how network settings stay consistent across thousands of devices? In the complex web of modern networking, maintaining uniform configuration across all devices is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. Configuration management plays a pivotal role in this process, ensuring that every device not only operates according to established standards, but also complies with security protocols. Let's delve into what this involves. Firstly, there's the task of device provisioning. This is where new devices are set up with configurations that align with the network's requirements. Following this, there's the critical step of configuration backup. Regular backups are essential, as they provide a recovery point following any disruption or failure, ensuring that services can be restored quickly and efficiently. Change management is another cornerstone of configuration management. It refers to the structured approach taken when making adjustments to the network. By managing changes systematically, businesses can avoid unnecessary disruptions and reduce the risk of introducing errors into the network. Configuration management ensures your network settings are precise and protected. In a network, the best defense is a good defense. When it comes to protecting network assets, data, and resources, security management steps into the spotlight. It's not just about safeguarding, It's about creating a resilient environment where business operations can thrive securely and reliably. Firstly, access controls are crucial. They serve as the gatekeepers, ensuring that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive information and critical infrastructure. By meticulously managing who can see what and when, we substantially reduce the risk of internal and external breaches. Next, we delve into encryption. This transforms data into a secure format that only authorized parties can decode, providing a robust layer of confidentiality and integrity. Whether data is at rest or in transit, encryption acts as an essential barrier against unauthorized snooping and data theft. Moreover, intrusion detection systems are the vigilant sentinels. They continuously monitor network traffic for suspicious activity and potential threats, immediately alerting administrators to take swift action. Strong security management is the guardian of network integrity. Who's using your network and how much are they using? This is where accounting management steps into the spotlight. It's not just about numbers. It's about understanding the dynamics of network usage and its implications. Accounting management is crucial for tracking who uses network resources, how much they use, and when they use it. This data is vital not only for billing purposes, but also for auditing and capacity planning. Imagine being able to predict when your network might hit its limits and being able to plan accordingly. That's the power of effective accounting management. To gather this data, various tools are employed to monitor data traffic and resource consumption. These tools keep an eye on every byte and packet that travels through the network, ensuring that nothing goes unnoticed. They help in creating detailed usage reports that are indispensable for financial planning and enforcing usage policies. Through these insights, network administrators can allocate costs more effectively and optimize resource utilization. This not only helps in maintaining budget controls, but also ensures compliance with corporate policies and external regulations. Accounting management ensures fair use and helps in strategic planning. A well-documented network is a well-understood network. Topology management serves as the cartographer of the network world, intricately mapping and documenting both the physical and logical layouts of network environments. This foundational aspect of network management is not just about creating a network map, it's about understanding the relationships between various network components, routers, switches, servers, and more. The role of topology management extends beyond mere documentation. It is pivotal in several critical network management activities. For instance, when network issues arise, having a clear and updated network topology can significantly speed up the troubleshooting process. It allows network administrators to quickly identify where failures are occurring and how they are impacting other parts of the network. Moreover, topology management underpins network performance optimization. By understanding the pathways of data flow and the capacity of various network segments, administrators can make informed decisions about where to enhance resources or reconfigure connections to boost efficiency and performance. With effective topology management, every connection counts. Change is inevitable, especially in technology. In the realm of network management, change management is a critical discipline aimed at orchestrating the introduction of updates or modifications to the network infrastructure. This process is vital for keeping technology aligned with the ever-evolving business requirements and technological advancements. The procedure begins with meticulous planning. This phase involves identifying the scope and impact of the proposed changes. Planning ensures that all aspects of the transition are considered, preventing unforeseen repercussions that could disrupt network services. Next, the implementation stage is where the planned changes are carefully executed. This step must be managed with precision to avoid errors that could lead to system failures or security breaches. Controlling the changes involves ongoing monitoring and adjustments to ensure that the changes deliver the desired improvements without negative impacts. This phase is crucial for the stabilization of the network post-implementation. By efficiently managing these changes, organizations can minimize downtime and maintain continuity in their operations. Thus, change management not only supports but enhances network performance and reliability. Change management ensures that network evolution is seamless and efficient. What you can measure, you can manage. In the realm of network management, continuous monitoring is not just beneficial, it's essential. It serves as the vigilant eyes and ears, constantly overseeing the performance, availability, and security of network systems. By employing a variety of monitoring tools and techniques, network administrators can detect and address issues before they escalate into major problems. But monitoring alone isn't the end of the story. The data captured through these processes must be transformed into actionable insights. This is where reporting plays a crucial role. Through comprehensive reports, we can visualize trends, pinpoint anomalies, and make informed decisions about network management strategies. Effective reporting provides a narrative of what's happening within the network. It highlights successes and sheds light on areas needing improvement. Whether it's a sudden spike in traffic, a potential security breach, or a drop in performance, reports ensure that these events don't go unnoticed. Through diligent monitoring and reporting, we stay 2 steps ahead of potential issues. So why is network management foundational to modern digital ecosystems? As we've explored throughout this video, network management is not just a part of the infrastructure. It is the very framework that ensures digital networks are efficient, reliable, and secure. From fault management, which keeps systems running smoothly by swiftly addressing disruptions, to performance management that guarantees optimal functionality, aligning with user expectations and service level agreements. Then there's configuration management, a critical component that maintains system consistency and compliance. Security management, on the other hand, fortifies networks against unauthorized access and threats, safeguarding vital data and resources. Accounting management plays a pivotal role in tracking resource usage, aiding in efficient billing and resource allocation. Topology management provides a clear visualization of network layouts, enhancing troubleshooting and optimization, while change management oversees the seamless integration of new technologies or updates without disrupting existing operations. Lastly, monitoring and reporting keep stakeholders informed, ensuring that any potential issues are swiftly addressed. Master these facets of network management, and you master the backbone of the digital age.